Ever wondered how to keep your hands nimble, even while resting in bed? It's easier than you think, especially for seniors looking to maintain hand dexterity. For many seniors, bed rest can be a necessary part of recovery or managing chronic conditions. Hand dexterity plays a vital role in independence and well-being. Without regular movement, joints can stiffen, making it harder to regain mobility. But don't worry, there are some ways to overcome this challenge even without leaving your bed. So one of the things that we want to do is just to make sure that the muscles around the shoulders are working properly. So you can sit like this, you can sit on the edge of your bed, you can sit against the back of your bed. Find a way that you can be comfortable, but also sit with a straight back as much as possible. So the first thing that we want to do is just shrug the shoulders. And there's a lot of muscles in the shoulders that should be supporting the shoulders, and then drop them. If these muscles are not supporting the shoulders, you're going to be putting more stress into the hands. So shrug the shoulders again, as much as possible, and then relax. And then shrug the shoulders again. That's it. And then relax. And then shrug the shoulders. Now, typically you do this for 6 seconds and do it 6 times and then relax. Now, so you can go back and rewatch the video, pause it where needed so you can make sure that you get your 6 times in, okay? Another thing you can do here is start to roll the shoulders. So roll them all the way back, roll them forward, and then roll them down. And we're just getting into so many muscles that move the shoulders. Now, one of the things that you don't want to do is like pretend that you're on a choo-choo train or something. Choo-choo. That you want to make sure that you're doing this nice and slow, like the choo-choo train's coming into the station. So do that about 6 times, and then do it the other direction for about 6 times. And again, really pull back and down and forward and up and back and down and forward and up and back and down. So for the next one, what I'd like you to do now is just come and lie down onto your back. And you can keep the knees bent or the legs straight, it doesn't really matter. And from here, and I'm only going to do this on my left arm here. You can go back and do it on the right later on. But what you want to do here is, this is called supination. So I'm going to turn the hand open as much as possible. Point the thumb away. Okay, so the palm is facing this way. And then I'm going to flex the hand as much as possible. Okay, while keeping it supinated, while keeping the thumb that way, and then relax, and then do it again. And so this is going to start activating all the muscles in your hand that's responsible for flexion and creating more stability in the rest joint, which is then going to give you more movement in your fingers. Another one that you can do is take all the fingers together, kind of press them together, and then turn the hand that way as much as possible. And then kind of like you've got a beak here, you've got a bird beak, and you're bringing the beak towards your wrist. And then relax. And do that again. And again, these are wonderful. I do these at night in my own bed before I go to sleep. It really helps me so much. I have stronger hands. I have more mobility in my hands. And then relax. The last one I want to show you is the opposite. So now we want to work on the extensors. So what you're going to do here is you're going to pronate the hand. Basically what I mean is turn the palm that direction. Turn the palm in the direction of your feet, okay? But then keep turning as much as you can, and then flex the hand back. And keep spreading the fingers as you do that. Like keep opening the hand and then relax. When you relax, take a deep breath. Breathe in deeply and exhale deeply. And then let's do it again. Turn the palm away and flex the wrist back. Beautiful. Inhaling deeply and exhale and then relax the hands. And let's do it again. Turn the palm away, flex the wrist back. And again, we're doing this for 6 seconds. Again, keep feeling like you're pulling the fingers back as well, and then relax. Friends, I know that these are not easy, but you will get stronger and you will start to feel the movement in your hands improving, no matter what condition you might have or are dealing with. Remember, one of the key things in this practice, less is more. And please remember to ask questions. I love answering questions, and I'm here to help and guide you to go back out into the world to manifest and live your best pain-free life. So let's keep practicing together.